What if? What a wonderful question for educators. Just saying it out loud triggers endless possibilities. In today's digital world, what ifs can come to life. As a science teacher, what if I could take my whole class to Mars to teach them about NASA's robotic explorer, the Curiosity? What an incredible learning experience that would generate. But then reality sets in. It would cost millions of dollars, and collecting parent permission slips would be a nightmare. What if we could accomplish that same excitement in our students by virtually taking the class to Mars in a digital environment? In Second Life, this what if can become a reality. Students could design their characters, encouraging participation as Martians or NASA astronauts. An entire lesson plan could be designed to have students find the Curiosity in a crater and discover what it's doing there. The Second Life Mars environment would have to resemble what has already been discovered about this planet so far. Visually, there would have to be a very fine dust on much of the surface, no flowing water, uneven surfaces with craters, valleys, and volcanoes. The environment would have no smell, as the Curiosity rover has not yet detected any makeup of the atmosphere. This environmental mission would make an exciting point in the lesson, as it was once thought the rover sniffed methane gas. It caused quite the excitement back on Earth, until it was realized that a small amount of the gas was in the machine when it left Earth. To stay true to the facts that are known about Mars, the virtual environment would not have any pre-existing sounds, because the two previous rovers that visited the planet had technical issues with their microphones. And unfortunately, there's no microphone on board this trip. That's right. NASA planned a rover mission that cost $2.5 billion and did not include a microphone. This Second Life environment would differ from current traditional classrooms immensely. Instead of a one-directional, one-dimensional lecturing at students, teachers could escalate an experience into a three-dimensional, multi-directional teaching experience while immersed with the students. The current traditional environment of teaching science is classroom-based, with basic presentations about the subject matter. Using a virtual environment, this matter could really be brought to life. Tours and virtual presentations will be possible for the subject matter. Students could trigger and watch Curiosity perform its survey tests and see the results. This virtual environment would work for teachers especially well with today's students who have developed their communication and learning skills digitally. The digital natives are drawn to electronic versions of traditional materials, and this type of learning environment meets that need. Exploration teams could take on one of Curiosity's mission objectives and examine the results. Using a virtual environment comes with its own set of challenges. The primary challenge is the cost of the technology that it requires. To achieve optimum interactivity, students must have a familiarity with the computer and the software required to operate the environment so that navigation will come easily. Distraction from fellow classmates within the environment might also prove a challenge. There are many advantages of using a virtual environment for teaching students how NASA is exploring Mars. It would be impossible to arrange a field trip into outer space, but in Second Life, a student can experience the lesson on a much deeper level. Virtual worlds can simulate physical presence and immerse the student in a highly visual 3D environment. The virtual spaces can support more effective lessons by putting the learner into the scene they are learning about. These environments can also be shared with other educators, and additional lesson resources and enhancements are available.